Uncle Daeve, stop forcing Nhasty Jee to marry your sister. Me and you know say even if Nhasty Jee marry your sister, she will never have happiness in that home. She will never have peace of mind in that home. Even Nhasty Jee himself is not ready to get married. Stop forcing things to happen. Before I go into this matter, let me greet you all. I greet you all according to your time. Wherever you are watching me for, this is your girl again, Nhasty Jee. If you are just coming across my video for the first time, do me well by hitting the following button. Share this video for me. Don't forget to drop your comments on the comment section. Like I always say, your opinion matters to me. So guys, I saw the video where Uncle Daeve post where he says Chidinma that sister come. Yeah, that sister come is like come from. Say they see the things where they post online. Daeve, they said he there with a friend, he want marry her, he want do this. Come, like, just open up and tell your sister the simple truth. Open up and tell your sister. When I don't say for Ebola, they're not they put money for woman where you get belly. Yes, we know that. And you think say when Chidinma don't born finish, Nhasty is ready to marry Chidinma. Do you think so? If Nhasty is truly ready to marry Chidinma, as he get belly, so if you don't go meet your family, it's okay. Let me just go and introduce myself, even if I cannot do anything on his head. But let me just introduce myself. Make them know say na me he dey with. Nhasty na what kind of person will be say he thinks he can use everybody. He will only use your sister and dump your sister at the end of the day. He just using all these material things to entice your sister. Make your sister stay, make you think say he want marry, just a from love. Me and you know say if your sister don't born, it's going to be among the baby mama where Nhasty Jee go get. So stop forcing things. It's better your sister be a baby mama than to stay in a marriage that she will not find peace. That to stay in a marriage that she will not be happy. That to stay in the marriage where be say the man wey dey with don't they mash a lot of people toes they go. Come, stop forcing things. David, stop forcing things. Let things work out the way it should be. If your sister said tomorrow Nhasty not marry, it will be more better for your sister. She can move on with her life. She can move on with her life than to remain for marriage where we say every blessed day she will be crying there. Every blessed day she will be regretting of her life. The wish happiness is there. Not there because of Nhasty gets money, may you push your sister into a place where she cannot find peace. Because I know so now the money aspect entices your sister where be say you go open left for Nhasty. You don't use sweet mouth, use sweet mouth. At the end of the day, you open left for the way you call it Nhasty, you be like enter. I don't know whether if you want to do something now they use the rubber. The man will be say anything when you see they shook it in, put in, not they protect himself. Tomorrow you go carry sickness, you can't give your sister. Is it the kind of life you want your sister to live? Stop forcing things. Not the force is Chidinma is still a small girl. If you deliver finish, she can still move on with her life. She can go and let radio or go back to school than being in a one-man house where be say she every day talk, every day wahala, every day trouble. No peace of mind, no happiness, no moment of joy. Is it that kind of life you want for your sister? She has made the mistake. She has made the mistake. It doesn't mean you should force her there. Or you think Nhasty, well, now they see for there, is ready to marry Chidinma. Do you think Nhasty is ready now? Next year, next 2 years, next 3 years to get married. If Nhasty they ready to marry, Nhasty for don't carry Chidinma, go introduce, give her own mother. If she even value her own mother, because the kind of person Nhasty is somebody who do not value people who do not have money. If she go even value her own mother, only God now I pray. They can know say na that one bring her on this life. Make she not talk saying don't get money, so that one not be anybody again. So I'm just doing this video in the respect of the video David posted this evening. He posted this video not quite too long where Chidinma's sister comes. So guys, David, stop forcing things. Pray your sister deliver safety from all these gbasgbos, all this problem where she face. Let she deliver safety. That one should be your number one priority. Now all this you go marry, I not go marry. I'm not on the dream again. I'm not seeing Nhasty marrying Chidinma. No, leave that dream. Guys, share this video. Drop your comment on the comment section. Thank you.